306 Deep Dead Sea Products, your exclusive sourcing solution. Attention factory owners and business managers in the Dead Sea industry. Tired of sourcing challenges? We've got your solution. Meet 306 Deep Dead Sea Products, the only exclusive source for Jordanian Dead Sea raw materials in North America. We specialize in Dead Sea treasures, known for their unmatched purity. Say goodbye to sourcing headaches. Our dedicated team ensures you receive top-quality Dead Sea salt and mud products effortlessly. Focus on scaling your business while we handle the sourcing. Unlock the potential of the Dead Sea for your products. Harness the power of Dead Sea salt and mud to elevate your products to the next level. Don't miss out on the revitalizing properties of Dead Sea water. Partner with 306 Deep Dead Sea Products and unleash the Dead Sea's potential for your business. Connect with us today at www.306deep.com or call 360-646-3360. Let's dive into success together.